Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. We have dx, that means we need to do first derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only y squared in here. First derivative of y squared, we have 2y, number 2 and number 2, we have 4y. This one we don't have y, so you got 0. We have dy, so we need to do first derivative of q with respect to s. So we have s in here. First derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have 2y. And we see that this one does not same with this one. So in this situation, I will use about integrating factor. So we see that we have 2xy, 2y, 4y. So in this situation, I will choose about mu s because I want to have 2xy. Later that we simplify by y, and you got about s. So I will multiply both sides by mu s. Next, we want this one equals to this one. So about this one, we have b, that's about like this. So if we do first derivative of b with respect to y, so we have 4y mu s. So if we do first derivative of q with respect to s, you got like this. Next, we divide both sides by 2y. Next, I will put mu s go to the left. This one we have mu s. Next, I will divide both sides by mu s and s. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of mu s. So in this situation, we simplify and we got about s equals to mu s. That means we multiply both sides by s. Now, in this situation, we have 3x squared plus 2y squared s. This one we have 2x squared y. Now, I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. Now we do first derivative. So we have 4ys, and the next one, that's about 4xy, and we see that this one is same with this one, so that is about exact. Now we can set up about the function fxy equals to the integration, so I will choose about this one plus 3xy, the integration of x square, we have 3xy, we have x to the power of 3, the integration of 2x, we have x square y square. Next, we need to do first derivative of the function of f with respect to y. This one we don't have y, so you got 0. This one we have y square, so we have 2y in here. And we have x square plus d over dy 3xy. And we know that this one is same with this one. Now we need to simplify for the both sides, and you got 0. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. And this one we have c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one we have 3xy. And now we need to change 3xy into c. And we know that this one equals to fxy. fxy equals to c. And now we just simplify like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.